Hey, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, we're installing the LASFIT rock light kit on our Budget GX470. Thanks for watching. LASFIT rock light kit comes really nicely packaged. This is the set of 4 that LASFIT sent over. It's pretty basic. You got 4 lights, wiring. LASFIT's packaging is really nice. Hardware kit, massive bundle of wires, pack of zip ties, which everyone likes zip ties, right? A fused positive, negative terminal is for each individual light, which these are capped off, but you can add more if you wanted to. Since this is the 4 light kit, we have 4 open. Where's the 4th one? We have 4 open terminals. Now the LASFIT rock light kit is a switchback, so you get the white light and then you also get the amber. One is labeled front. I guess that just determines the length of the harness that's on the light. And a solid foundation. You get these little mounting pads. You can run the wiring through like that. This one allows you to run on tubing. Yeah, we're not going to get too fancy with this, but thank you LASFIT for sending these out. Let's go ahead and try to throw them on the truck. Now for me, I'm the type I like to light up the front of every tire so people can see what you're driving over as you're on the trail. I know some people like to stick them in the wheel well up top, but I mean, that's just shining light down onto the top of your tire, which I guess is cool for show, but I don't think it's that functional. So I want to mount these somewhere up top, I want to mount these somewhere in front of every tire, so that way the light shines down in this area. The LASFIT rock lights use 6 watts each with max lumens of 250 for white and 190 lumens for amber. 110-degree optics so the light has a wide spread. Constructed of die-cast aluminum with a waterproof rating of IP68. For the front, I'm not too sure where I can mount these without drilling into the frame. So for now, I'm going to try using these hose clamps to secure them to the frame. We'll see how they hold up. If I end up liking this location, I'll figure out a different way to secure them. In the first episode of this budget build, we installed this Amazon Special switch panel, which is where I'll be running these rock lights into. Now all we need to do is plug each pod into the main harness, and then run the positive and negative into the switch panel. The on-off switch for the light harness will be threaded into the cabin, so I can still change the colors. I'm not sure how to retain this feature without using the switch that's provided by LASFIT. Now that they're all hooked up and ready to go, let's see how they look. I'm really happy with the location of the rear. I think I'll have to figure out another location for the front. Since I used hose clamps to secure the fronts for now, it'll be easy enough to play around with the mounting location. If you guys are interested in picking up a set of LASFIT rock lights for yourself, click the link in the description. If you enjoy following along with this budget build, give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned.